Welcome to this quick guide on filing your employment income returns using the Excel sheet process on iTax. Here is what you need before we begin. Number 1, your KRA PIN. 2, iTax login details. 3, P9 form from your employer. Check these out. Now that you know what to expect, let's jump into the actual filing process step by step. So the first thing you do, log into your iTax account. So if you don't know how to log into your iTax account, you can go ahead and check a video I did. I will drop the link at the description below so that you can go to that video. I've explained in a very simple way. Enter your password correctly. Then solve this and tap you are in. Once you are on the dashboard, you go to the returns menu and then you click file returns. So what you'll do, go here down, you select income tax for resident individual. Then you click next. Choose the year that you want to file for. That is from January 2024 to December 2024. Then under this section of the steps to follow, go to step number 5. You check this is the downloadable Excel that you want to use. So click at this, download income tax residence using Excel form. Click there. So once you click, it will open for you the Excel form that you are supposed to use. So next, using the P9 slip from your employer, carefully enter all the income, PAYE, and allowances into the Excel sheet. So what we will do, we have our P9 in hand. So we'll go to our P9 and enter these details. So number 1, you check the PIN, your PIN number. This is just a dummy illustration. So get your PIN number from the P9. That's how the P9 looks like. Come here, insert your PIN number. Now once you come onto this page, you get the tax payable amount. You have to check at your form again. Check the tax payable here amount, which is 149,512. So you come to your form and fill that part, 149,512. Okay, then go to amount of tax paid by the company or the pay as you earn, which is 120. As you can see here, it's pay 127.12. So that's the amount you indicate here on your form, which is 127.12. And then you get a balance of 28,800, as you can see. So that's the same amount of figure which is called personal relief that you're entitled to as an insurance relief every year, 28,800. So once you have filled your form to that point, what you do, you go to next. Then there's nothing to fill here. You go to next. And then you come at this point. You get your amount of NSSF paid, as you can see here, the pension paid by the company, 12,960. So you come to your table, you include it there, 12,960, and that is it. Once you include that amount there, you confirm everything is okay, everything is okay. Once all the figures are okay, you are supposed to have a tax due of 0. You're not supposed to owe the KRA anything if you file according to your form, to your P9 form. So everything is okay once you don't have any amount here, and then you go ahead and validate. So you click at validate. Okay, so you click on validate, it will give you this sheet after uploading. and he'll tell you sheets are ready to be uploaded. Do you want to generate upload file? You click yes, and then of course you give it time to generate. And then after you click yes, it will give you the file generated and saved into your documents. Finally, you need to upload the completed Excel sheet back into the employment income return section on the iTax. So we are here and we need to complete the process. So what you do, you choose file that you need to upload. So you select here, choose file. So the file that we validated is the one that will be given a chance to choose. So it normally goes to documents. So check at documents. Then because you have just done the uploading, it will be the first thing to show. You just select and open. Then it has attached onto your thing. You have to see here, it is attaching the date and it is in zip form. So once you see a document is attached, you click here, I agree to the terms, and finally submit. So that is it, submit. Do you want to upload the form? Say yes. Okay, and your form is submitted. You have done the application, you are finalized, and then you can actually download this returns receipt. Make sure the last thing you do is download these returns. We say it's the proof of you having filed your returns. I have also included a simplified P9 template in the description below, which you can download and fill for your employees easily. Need help understanding your balance? Reach out using the link in the description for personalized support. Thank you so much for subscribing and joining this growing community. This is RM Accounting Solutions, your go-to for tax filing in Kenya. See you in the next video.